how to buy Bonk. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So when you open up Bonk on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, when you scroll down, you would be able to check out all the markets for Bonk. You can purchase it from all these centralized exchanges, and you can also get it from decentralized exchanges. So for the centralized exchanges, Binance is the top one, and for the decentralized exchanges, as you move this particular list, you would be able to check out some decentralized exchanges over here. And one of the decentralized exchanges, PancakeSwap, if you want to purchase it on Binance Smart Chain, and if you want to purchase it on the Solana blockchain itself, then you can go with Meteora or Radium or Jupiter. In today's video, we will see how you can purchase it on Jupiter. And Jupiter is a decentralized exchange, by the way. Simply search for Jupiter Solana and open up the very first link, and this will take you over here. Here you would need to connect with your Phantom wallet. Make sure that you have some funds in your Phantom wallet in order to purchase Bonk, and you can utilize any of the crypto in order to purchase Bonk, but Sol token is preferable for it. And after connecting your Phantom wallet, just simply select Bonk over here. Sometimes the Bonk might not show up over here. Simply search for Bonk, and this is how it will appear. Now, in order to make sure that we are selecting the right token for us, you should just simply open up the CoinGecko, and when you scroll down, you would be able to check the correct address of Bonk right beside the contracts, and it has PB263 at the end. And when we check the address of this one, it has PB263 at the end. So they are similar one, and it is the correct Bonk. As there are so many scam tokens, that's why it is necessary for you to check it out. After that, just simply type the amount of Solana that you want to use in order to convert it into Bonk. You can use USDT or USDC or any other crypto as well in order to purchase Bonk. And this is how you would be able to purchase it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.